was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of me.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy. Out here today, man. A little slow at the shop today. So, y'all know what I do. Use my time wisely. I was editing the video, but I need to run 2 errands, man. Go pick up Scooter 2 tires. He need 2 tires on the front of his car. I'll slap 2 new tires on his joint. Well, I ain't gonna put them on now. I'm just going to pick them up. It's right up the street. And then I'm gonna run over to Jazz shop real quick, man.
In 3.2 miles, turn left.
Still gotta go get my my old console, man. My old console up there. So we're gonna go up there and pick that up. Matter of fact, let me check something now. Let him know I'm headed his way. Yeah, go over there and pick my old console up, man. The one that came out of Cayenne. Still got a lot of stuff in there. Little stuff that was in my console. Then I'm just gonna put it up. I ain't gonna need it no more. I doubt if somebody wanna buy it. I don't know if nobody got the same color interior or something. I doubt if somebody wanna buy it though. We'll see. I'm still rolling midnight, man. It's the 2nd week. So, man, I'm gonna drive midnight again. Gonna drive it for a 2nd week, man. Yep. So I'm gonna pick up these 2 tires for Scooter. Then I gotta get with see the next day Scooter gonna take off, man, so we can get his car over there to Joe. Gotta show y'all his car too. I don't know if I showed it to y'all or not. Him with his paint on his hood. The hood on the paint on the hood, man, it's peeling like a mug, bumper peeling. So we gonna get all that fixed. Yeah, we gonna get all that fixed, man. Whoa. Keep it locked. We'll be getting these tires in a second. All right. Yes, sir. Got them tires, man. Got them tires for Scooter. Now we're finna run over to Jazz shop, man. Pick up that old console. I can put that on the back seat. We in old Faithful. Not Faithful. We in old Midnight today, man. We in old Midnight. Midnight still clean, boy. Still clean. Oh, I gotta sit on the keys and lock the door. There you go. Yeah, man. 78. I'm back. Leaving Jazz shop, man. We got the console back there in my box. My Pioneer radio box, man. He still had it over there. Headed back over here to the shop, man. What I finna say? Dang on. Yeah, I had just jumped on Instagram Live, man. When I last, after the last clip, jumped on Instagram Live, man. Hey, I'm thinking about doing a golf cart raffle, man. Find a fixer-upper. fix it up, you know, paint, lift, wheels, get the seats done. I don't know if I'm gonna put a lot of music. I don't know if I'm gonna put no bump on it because I don't even have bump on mine. But a nice golf cart, man, might throw a little sound bar on there or something. But a real nice golf cart. Thinking about doing a raffle, man. Drop down in the comments and let me know what y'all think. You know, it's just a thought right now, but I might go and put that into motion, man. Like $50 a ticket. $50 a ticket, man. And put a lithium battery on there. You know what I'm saying? You ain't have to worry about that. Put a nice little lithium on there. And I think, man, that'll be fire, man. That'll be fire. So make sure y'all leave a comment and let me know what y'all think about that. A golf cart raffle, man. You'll get you a custom golf cart for $50, man. For $50. You can't beat it, dog. You can't beat that with a bat, man. You can't. 78 Chevy boy, man. Keep it locked. Keep it locked, man. Alright. Connecting, never competing, man. Connecting, never competing. My boy Maine out of Louisiana found the hood, man. He found the hood. I got the hood for him, man, so he can secure it. Now he's on the way back to Louisiana. Sunny folks up here in the work truck. In the work truck, man. That was up. Connecting, never competing. I told y'all. I ain't doing some US mags, man.
Shit like
what I had about them. Just a different. Them the one Dre had,
them
ain't
Dre, yeah.
Yeah, US man. Yeah.
My seven, I'm keeping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in